friends! Today we are drawing this beautiful landscape. So, let's get started. First, we will draw grass. Now, we'll draw a house. We'll start by drawing 2 walls. Roof of the house. On the roof, we will draw a chimney. Smoke is coming out of the chimney! Our house needs a strong door and 2 windows for the fresh and clean air. Now, we will draw the fence around the house. Fence will protect our house from unwanted guests. After fence, we will draw trees on both sides of the house. Now, we will also draw some bushes around the house. After bushes, let's draw a sun. At last, we will draw a path to our house. The path has some small stones. Now, we will fill different colors in our drawing. First, we will color the roof red and orange. Now, we will color the chimney brown. With chimney, we will also color the window's frame and door brown. Now, let's color the glass of the windows blue. Let's color the wall of the house yellow. Now, we will color the stones in the path gray. Next, we will color the path light brown. Now, we will color the fence with brown color. After fence, we will color the trunk of the tree brown. Next, we will color the leaves of the tree light green. bushes After bushes, we will color the smoke gray. Next, we will fill the sun with yellow and orange color. It's time to color the grass green. Friends, our drawing is almost complete. At last, we will draw some clouds in the sky. And it's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.